Hey there, welcome to your channel name. Today, we're talking about how you can start your very own dropshipping business as a beginner. I'm breaking it down into 5 simple steps you can follow today. So, if you're ready to learn the ins and outs of dropshipping, grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's get started. So, you're interested in starting a dropshipping business but not sure where to begin? Let's break down exactly what dropshipping is and how it works. Dropshipping is essentially a way to sell products online without actually holding any inventory yourself. Think of it like being the middleman. You create an online store, list products from a supplier, and when a customer buys something, you simply forward the order to your supplier. They then ship the product directly to your customer. Now here's what's great about dropshipping. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars in inventory up front. This makes it a really attractive option for beginners who are just starting out and don't have a ton of capital. You need to put in the effort to find a profitable niche, build a professional online store, and market your products effectively. But with the right strategy and a lot of hard work, dropshipping can be incredibly rewarding. Throughout this video, I'm going to give you the exact steps you need to take to get started. Alright, let's dive into the first step in your dropshipping journey. Choosing your niche. This is arguably the most important decision you'll make, as it dictates your target audience, your marketing strategy, and ultimately, your success. Think of a niche as a specific category or market segment. Instead of selling a wide variety of products, you focus on a particular type of product or cater to a specific group of people. For example, you could sell eco-friendly pet products, athleisure wear for yoga enthusiasts, or gadgets for tech-savvy travelers. The key here is to find a balance between passion and profitability. Ideally, you want a niche that you're genuinely interested in because you'll be spending a lot of time researching, marketing, and talking about these products, but it also needs to be a niche that has the potential to make money. Head over to online marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, and AliExpress, and see what's trending. Remember, your niche is the foundation of your dropshipping business. Take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Once you have nailed down your niche, it's time to find a reliable supplier who can provide you with high-quality products and excellent customer service. Remember, your supplier is an extension of your brand, so choosing the right one is crucial. There are a number of platforms where you can find dropshipping suppliers. AliExpress, Spocket, and CJ Dropshipping are some of the most popular options. When evaluating suppliers, pay close attention to their reviews and ratings. Look for suppliers with a proven track record of delivering products on time and as described. Also, check their shipping times and costs, as these can vary significantly from supplier to supplier. Order samples of your top products from different suppliers. This allows you to assess the quality of the products firsthand and experience their shipping process. Remember, a reliable supplier is essential for a successful dropshipping business. Take your time, compare different options, and choose a supplier that aligns with your business values and quality standards. Now that you have a niche and a supplier, it's time to build your online store, the virtual storefront where you'll showcase your products to the world. But don't worry, setting up an online store is easier than you might think, even if you have zero technical experience. There are several platforms you can use to create your online store, but one of the most popular and user-friendly options is Shopify. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial, so you can test out the platform and see if it's the right fit for you before committing to a paid plan. What's great about Shopify is that it provides everything you need to build a professional-looking online store, from customizable templates to secure payment gateways. When designing your store, keep in mind that first impressions matter. Your website should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. Use high-quality images, write compelling product descriptions, and make sure your checkout process is smooth and secure. Remember, people are more likely to buy from a website that looks professional and credible. You've got a great-looking online store stocked with awesome products. Now the real work begins, driving traffic to your store and converting visitors into paying customers. This is where marketing comes into play. There are countless ways to market your dropshipping store, but let's focus on 3 effective strategies that you can start implementing today. 1. Social media marketing. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are incredibly powerful tools for reaching your target audience. Create engaging content that showcases your products in action, run targeted ad campaigns, and collaborate with influencers in your niche to increase brand visibility. 2. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is all about optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This involves researching relevant keywords, writing informative product descriptions, and building backlinks to your site. 3. Paid advertising. While organic marketing strategies like social media and SEO take time to yield results, paid advertising can provide a more immediate boost in traffic. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to create targeted ad campaigns that reach your ideal customers based on their interests, demographics, and online behavior. The key to successful dropshipping marketing is to experiment with different strategies and track your results. Building a successful dropshipping business takes time and effort, but with the right marketing strategies in place, you'll start seeing those sales roll in. And that's it. Starting a dropshipping business might seem overwhelming at first, but if you follow these 5 steps, choose a niche, find a supplier, build your store, market your products, and focus on great customer service, you'll be on the right track. Remember, building a successful business takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business tips, and let me know in the comments where you're starting your dropshipping journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.